Hey there, welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can generate traffic from Facebook. So basically when we talk about generating traffic from Facebook, there are only certain ways that you can use to generate traffic. So number one is using your Facebook profile. Number two is Facebook groups, free Facebook groups. Third is paid Facebook groups. Fourth is pages and Facebook ads. So we will talk about later on about Facebook pages and Facebook ads, but in this module we are going to talk about Facebook profile, free Facebook groups and paid Facebook groups. Alright, so let's talk about Facebook profile first. So now before we go ahead and do anything or try to generate traffic from Facebook, you need to optimize your Facebook profile first. The reason is that whenever you go ahead and when you post anything on your profile, you post anything on any free or paid group or any pages, and when you basically want to engage your audience, when people see your content and when they like that content, they are definitely go ahead and check out your Facebook profile, and they try to see that who you are, what you do, and what kind of person you are, and what message that you want to spread. So it is really important that before you try to do anything or try to generate traffic from Facebook, you optimize your profile, because this is the very first thing that people check out, and it leaves a very huge impact on what you want them to do. Okay, so in this section we are going to do some basic profile optimizations. We will do whole branding and what message you want to bring, and we will do your personal branding later on in a very big way, and I'll show you how you can become an expert and do a personal branding in a very good way. But right now we are just getting started, so we will do some basic optimization. Okay, so very first thing what we'll do is you need a clear picture of yourself, clear picture. Okay, so whenever people come and check out your profile, they want to see that who this person are, who this person is, and how this person looks like. Okay, so you need a picture where people can see your face clearly, and don't really post any image with a bunch of people in there and they find it difficult to that which one of this person is actually is. Okay, so you need a very clear picture where people can see your face. If you can go ahead and check out my profile, and you can see that I've used a background color with my picture so people can see me and they can notice my profile anywhere else. Okay, so this is what you need to do. Second thing is you need to add a small description. With that, people can see who you are. Okay, so your description basically is a mixture of who you are, what you do, plus a call to action. Okay, so that you can tell people to do something. Okay, so first of all, here it is, who you are or what you do. Let's say if you are a content writer, you are affiliate marketer, digital marketer, whoever you are, just put it in here. So if you are just getting started and if you don't know who you are and what you can basically put, just add any one of these terms. It could be online entrepreneur, digital marketer, digital entrepreneur, or affiliate marketer. That's it. Don't think about anything. Just use any of these terms, because you are learning digital marketing, affiliate marketing in this course. So just put in any of these terms and that's it. We are just getting started and we want to get started as soon as possible. Like I told you that we will do complete branding, complete personal branding later on. Whatever we are doing right now is just to get started. Okay, so just put in any of these terms if you don't know what you can put. Otherwise, if you know what you want to add in here, that's good, but if not, just use any of these terms. The second thing what we want is we want to give a clear call to action to people, like I did here. Learn how to start your online business. Click here. That's it. So whoever is interested in learning about affiliate marketing or want to start online business, they click here. So it's a very clear call to action. So you can use exact call to action. If you want to copy my call to action, you can do that. I don't have any issues with that. So with that, you can go ahead and tell them that get my free training, or click here to learn about affiliate marketing, or click here if you want to learn how to start your business, something like that. Okay, so just use a clear call to action, and you can use, or you can copy my call to action, or you can use this: get my free training and learn how to start affiliate marketing. And then below that, here will go your affiliate link or your landing page link. Basically, I will not suggest you to add affiliate link here directly, because Facebook does not like that. But if you create a landing page, and I've showed you in the training that how to create a landing page, you can go ahead and just put in your landing page here. That's it. Okay, it is simple and easy to understand. Now the third thing, you need a clear cover image. This is the cover image that we are talking about. Okay, so I've added this cover image because this is what I like to do, and I want people to have their own message, their own voice, or a message that they want to spread in the world. Like, I'm here and I'm teaching you guys affiliate marketing, online marketing, because I want to spread this information about online marketing, that how anyone can start their own online marketing business. They can have their own voice, they can have their own passion that they can follow, and they can be almost anything that they want to. Okay, so I've used this motivational quote with the image, and that's it. Okay, so you can use these kind of image. Make sure your cover image does not have a picture of your whole family members and something crazy that people cannot understand that what it is. Okay, because we are using this Facebook profile to generate traffic, and we are using it for our business. So if you want to on your profile, if you want to add multiple different things, if you want to post about family, if you want to post about politics, if you want to talk about cryptocurrency, then you want to talk about schools and things like that, and all the random things that you do, then I suggest that don't use Facebook to generate traffic. But if you want to do both, then I'll suggest you to create two different profiles. One you can use for generating traffic from Facebook for your business, and then one you can use only for your family members. So don't mix everything. But if you go in and check out my profile, you'll see that I only talk about business, online marketing, or something like that, something related to it. And with that, people can clearly see that who am I and what I'd like to do. Okay, so you need to have a clear profile image. Then you need to have a clear call to action with who you are, with that people can recognize you, and you need to have a clear image here, clear cover image. Then you need to have a clear timeline, because people also check out timeline. So if you have some random images, some random posts, some random videos on your profile, just make it private or delete it, and just use your Facebook profile just for business. So this is what we are going to do. So this is the basic optimization that you need to do. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.